Hey guys, today we're at Thatcher Chemical in Salt Lake City. We're here today to show you about an important fluid dynamics concept. That concept is the transition from laminar to turbulent flow. Over the summer we worked on a project that utilized these principles and it ended up saving the company thousands of dollars.
Over the summer, a lab manager here at Thatcher noticed that in this building there were quite a few tanks that weren't mixing very well. And this causes a problem because it takes several hours to mix some of these products, and they're 800 to 900 gallons. So when the lab comes back and says it's not mixed properly and they have to redo it, it's costing the company thousands of dollars. I have an example here that if you look, you'll be able to see this tank just has a nice big agitator right there on the bottom, but no baffles along the side. And we're going to explore why this is a problem here in a second.
The lab manager originally thought that the agitator inside of the tank wasn't strong enough. However, after we investigated the mixing profile, we found that wasn't the case. What we actually saw was a mixing pattern that was just moving in a circular motion. And because of that, there wasn't any real mixing, just particles moving in the same direction and not really interacting with each other. What we wanted to have happen was to induce some vertical mixing. Here's a video of what we saw.
As you saw in that video, there's a lot of laminar flow. Everything was spinning together, the liquid is staying together. By introducing baffles, which I'll show you now in a video and in this tank here, it's going to create eddies and it's going to create turbulent flow by tripping. You all know what tripping is about. So let me show you here what the baffles look like. Okay, now you're going to see a video of how that affected the liquid and made it more turbulent flow.
As you saw in that video, the baffles are creating more eddies and creating more mixing. So in the long run, we were able to cut our batch process down in time, and that not only saved us money in simple production, but we were able to save money because we didn't have to again remix for several hours. So the introduction of the baffles for just a couple $100s of stainless steel, rather than saying upsizing the motor on the agitator, we were able to save money there, save money by cutting the production cost, and save money by not remixing everything in those tanks.